I knew it. All this time, I was loving you. Okay, I forgot. Fuck. You giving all my time to you. Cooking fucking hot dogs in the morning for you. What a waste of time. In the morning, what a waste of time. You know what? No. It's over. And scene. Okay, so I just got home from the club and somebody is snoring upstairs like a storm. Let's go check out who that is. Who the fuck is that snoring up in here? Okay. FYI, that is Steven, my brother's friend. I was like, who the fuck is that?